Get ready to roll into a world of tactile excitement. Introducing the Big Tactile Dice, a captivating addition to play and learning that brings a new dimension of sensory engagement. Unveiling the features of the Big Tactile Dice. Oversized design. Bigger is better. Our oversized dice bring a larger-than-life experience, ensuring easy handling and enhanced visibility during play. Feel the thrill of each roll. Tactile engagement. Texture meets touch. These dice are not just oversized, they're textured for a sensory-rich touch experience. Every roll becomes an exciting, touch-filled adventure. More than just a game, perfect for educational activities, therapy sessions, team building, and games. The Big Tactile Dice is a versatile tool for a variety of purposes.
My name is Parmar Ayaz, and this is An Dice. This is an tactile dice, actually. Before I have problem to examine the number on dice because I can't see, but now with the help of this dice, I can easily examine the numbers and play with my sighted friends. I can play games like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, etc.
It's not just about the roll, it's about the touch, the excitement, and the joy of inclusive play.